Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Wizard Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will work on this watch, brand name Titus. It used to come with an FHF caliber ST96 with 17 jewels. We have to press over here to remove its crown stem. And after removing the crown stem, we can remove the dial from the case. And then I will align all the hands in one direction, then it will be easy to remove the hands. There will be two screws which will hold the movement with the dial. We have to unscrew them. This is the hour wheel. Here the cannon pinion was not coming out, so I left it like that. Then I have removed the minute wheel guard and minute wheel, and next to it there was setting wheel. Now I will unwind the movement. To do so, we have to hold the click like this with a tweezer, and then we can unwind this movement. Once the mainspring is unwound, the balance wheel will stop oscillating. Then we can remove the balance wheel, and underneath there will be pallet fork. This is the pallet fork. Now I will remove its crown wheel. Again the same problem arose. The ratchet wheel screw was not coming out. So what I did was I directly removed the complete barrel bridge, and once we put all the parts in cleaning solution, the screw will lose its grip, and so will the cannon pinion. So there is no point in using brute force. These are the three wheels. This is called center second wheel or fourth wheel. This is third wheel, and this is escape wheel. And now I will take out the bridge which is for center wheel. Now I will remove its keyless work. First we will take out the setting lever spring. then yoke, then setting lever, and this is clutch wheel, and this is winding pinion.